Dear friends, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how to write the unit test for Java static methods in your Android Studio project. So let's begin. We'll create a new project. I'll keep the implementation very simple. So unit test for static method. Click rest of things. I'll leave it as it is and click finish and wait for the environment to load. It may take a while. Once the environment loads, I'll do one thing is I'll quickly create a method which we can use for our unit testing. So public void, in fact not void, I will first will static and return could be double, and the method could be like addition of or a static addition method. You can give any name, it doesn't matter. And then I'll take two inputs, double A double B, and then in this perfect, this is exactly what I want. I'm not sure why they give the parenthesis. Now this particular method I will do one thing. I will use in my this one text view. Okay, I think I can minimize the left hand side for now. I'll give some ID over here, and in the onCreate method I will just call this text view. Perfect, that was pretty good. I really like that. And then I can just say text view dot set text. I'll not do hello world, but I'll do string dot value of perfect. This is what exactly what I wanted. So this will be calling this particular method and printed in the text view over here. Let me quickly increase the size of this. Let's go here and 34. Yeah, looks better. So that's all. If I run it in the app, it will be able to give me the output 2 plus 1, which is 3. It's giving an error. So let me quickly go and check whether this is text view or not. I think I gave the ID over in the text. Oh, the spelling is wrong. So it's text view, and just click on refactor, and this time it should be fine. Just rerun, it should work now. Okay, so I don't want to spend too much of time in the coding part in the project. So this is a very simple project I have put. So let me show you how you can create the unit test for this. So this is the output of the app, but it doesn't matter. You can just close it and we'll create a local unit test for this. So just go to your app Java folder, and over here you'll get the unit test. So by default they anyway give the example unit test. You can use this only to modify. So here they give an example method, but I don't think we can use either this one to append, or we can create a new one. So I think I'll create a new one. So I'll just comment out this one. I don't need this. And in the new one, what I'll do, of course, first start with the test public void, and what I'll be checking is test static addition method. You can give any name again here, it doesn't matter. And now we'll call the method which we created in our activity main activity. So what I'll do is double probably result, and no, not a calculator. Okay, wait a minute, I'll do one thing first. I'll create a main activity instance or object here, and then I'll call it on the activity itself. Activity dot add. No, I don't know why it's giving add. I should have got a static. Yes, this is what I want. And here we are getting some error on activity. Not okay. I think what I can do is I can just quickly pull this and make it as a class variable. Better. Yeah. Okay. And it's still since it's a static method, it will work. If it's a non-static method, you will have to initialize this class, but here we can skip it. So I think here you can give any input. If probably you can give 4 and 5, so expected result will be 9. So that we can put on an assert. So assert equals, and the expected value we can either hard code or whatever. So it's 9 plus it will 9 comma, and we can use the result whatever we will get, and if required you can give some kind of threshold as well. So threshold could be okay, 0.01 is prompting, that should be fine. So 5 plus 4 is, if it matches it will give yes, true, or otherwise false. Okay, now I think that's all, and we can run and see how it happens. So just click on over here and run it. So if everything is passed, it will change the icon over here as a pass. Yeah, it's passed. So everything passed. You can do one more thing. I will re-enable this also. Although it's not calling any method, it's a assertEquals, so it will always pass. So I'll just run this also. So to change that over here also, it will change to pass. Perfect. And now what we can do is we can export the test results in a probably XML file, HTML file, and we can open it in a browser. It will save in your local folder wherever you are working. So let me open it. So it open up in a browser, and we can see both the methods over here. So yeah, you collapse, expand, and if there are more information, you can click and you'll get the respective information over here in this particular thing. So that's all I wanted to show you. So static method is pretty simple. You don't have to initialize. You can just declare the object and then use it, because it's a static method. You don't have to create that object in your local. However, for non-static methods, you will have to create. So I'll show it in a separate video. In this quick video, I just wanted to show you that if the method is static, it's very much straightforward to do the unit testing and to get the results accordingly about pass and fail. So that's all. I hope this video is useful to you. If you have any questions or suggestions, then please put in the comment section below. And if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye.